In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. Not sponsored, by the way. When your new app is ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click at the top left corner and adjust all of those options however you want to create perfect wallpaper. You can check out preview at the top. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Apply and click on Lock Screen. As you can see, after a few seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you want to make any changes to it, you can adjust the same options. Then apply it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!